In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a lightbox from Wix, or as they are now called, pop-ups. It's important to note that Wix has renamed their lightboxes to pop-ups, so when you're navigating through the Wix editor, these are the terms you're going to encounter. Deleting a pop-up will permanently remove it from your site, including its design, triggers, and settings, so make sure that's what you want to do before proceeding. To begin, we'll first need to open the Wix editor. Head over to your Wix dashboard, which is the main control center for all your site's activities. On the dashboard, you'll see an option labeled Edit Site. Click on it to access the Wix editor where all the magic happens. Once inside the Wix editor, we need to make our way to the pop-ups panel, which you'll find under the section for adding elements. Look to the left side of the screen for an icon marked with a plus sign. It's labeled Add Elements. Click on that and a menu will open up. From this menu, navigate down to the section titled Interactive and then onto Pop-ups. Within this section, you'll find the option to Manage Pop-ups. This is where all of your current pop-ups, formerly known as lightboxes, are listed. Now that we're in the Manage Pop-up section, it's time to select the pop-up you wish to delete. Take a look through the list of pop-ups and identify the one that you no longer need on your site. Once you found it, you'll see three little dots, often referred to as an ellipsis, located beside the pop-up's name. Click on these dots to bring up a menu with further options. To proceed with deleting the pop-up, you'll need to select the Delete option from this menu. After clicking Delete, a confirmation dialog will most likely appear, asking you to confirm that you indeed want to remove this pop-up. Confirm your decision, and Wix will take care of removing the pop-up from your site. Completing the deletion process doesn't finish with just removing the pop-up. You'll want to ensure all changes are saved and reflected on your live site. So next, head over to the top of your Wix editor and click the Save button. This will save all your changes to your working draft. Once saved, make sure to hit Publish so that the changes go live and any redundancies are removed from the visitor's view. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted a pop-up from your Wix site. Remember, always double check which elements you remove to avoid any unwanted deletions. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.